Cuyahoga County is facing some startling numbers when it comes to drug overdose deaths.
Isabel Lawrence spoke with experts about what these numbers mean and the resources available that could save lives.
Yeah, earlier this week, the medical examiner released new data showing that from Friday through early Tuesday morning, there were at least 15 suspected overdose deaths. I took a look at those numbers.
So we're in the middle of something that's still very much an active problem.
Stay with me.
Drug overdoses in Cuyahoga County aren't trending in the right direction. Medical examiner Dr. Tom Gilson sees it firsthand and is looking for answers.
Is the drug supply changing? Is the purity changing? Or are these just bumps in an already bad situation?
There's been a significant bump in July. About halfway through the month, the medical examiner's office reports there have been 30 overdose deaths. Compare that to at least 50 overdose deaths for the entire month of June and at least 43 for May.
During holidays, let's say 3-day weekends or other holidays, maybe when people are more out in the community or they're socializing, that they may be taking more of the illicit drugs that are out there.
For Scott Osicki with the Alcohol, Drug Addiction and Mental Health Services Board of Cuyahoga County, there's a clear message in these numbers.
People really need to know that the illicit drug supply right now is laced with things such as fentanyl.
Fentanyl has been a driver of overdose deaths.
Wake up.
According to data from the Cuyahoga County Medical Examiner's Office, 2022 is projected to have 771 overdose deaths. There were 675 last year, and 10 years ago, less than half that number. But there are measures to reduce risk, like using drug test strips and carrying Narcan.
We don't condone the drug use, but however, as long as a person is alive, we're interested in saving lives, that there's that possibility for them to enter treatment and live in recovery.
Well, the medical examiner's office is looking at these recent deaths to try to get some answers as to why there's been a bump in numbers. If you or someone you know is struggling with substance abuse or addiction, you can call the Adams Board's 24-hour hotline. We do have that number and other resource information available on our website.
Yeah, and a lot of families, you know, when it's that many people, so many friends and families are impacted as well.
Certainly. Isabel Lawrence in the newsroom. Thank you.